I heard they checking for me, no one checking on me, so I had to go run up a check. I got the message on me, ain't no flexing on me, my attorney gon' call and collect. Blessings on blessings for me, my successes only made them envious, they got upset. I had to put all their egos in check.
Doing a final touch-up, walk around. We've already washed it. This is a partial front that we did a couple days ago. It's had time to sit and cure, and now we're touching it up, ready for delivery.
Nice.
It looks really good. I looked at it outside. We just had a few spots that we needed to bring it back in and touch up, but this one's definitely one to be proud of. They all are, but this one's really nice.
Nice.
That's just because I'm partial to Rams, so white Rams, that's my thing.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it looks really good. On this one, we did custom flares. So the factory piece, Dodge, they give you a piece that comes about right here and stops, and then they give you a little piece right here, and that's supposed to protect it from the front tires slinging rocks because these stick out so far. And we know that that's not enough, so we removed the factory and added full coverage here, right it up here, up to the body line, and back to the back, and then also covered the fender flares. So that way, this is now protected. Shouldn't have any issues. This up here normally doesn't get the rock chips, but it's these panels right here that get it. So we give him a custom pattern. That's not an XPEL pattern. That is a custom pattern, Tritek pattern. So
Nice.
he's gonna be protected and
On the road.
be much happier.
Yeah.
Be much happier.
This one's a full front. We've got, it's actually a full front plus sunroof strip and pillars. We've already got the pillars and sun strip on it. We've got the bumper on. Really all we need to do is the fenders and the hood. And we'll be done with the install on this one.
So I wanted to introduce all of our XPEL paint protection film product lineup. We have XPEL Ultimate Plus. This is the original, the latest and greatest that's been around for a long time. It actually is self-healing. It doesn't stain. It doesn't discolor. It has great clarity. It's the 10-year warranty. We've also got the Stealth if you want to do the same thing with the self-healing process as the one over here. This one is satin. So that's going to be the same. It's satin. It's really cool. And then we've got the latest, newest technology, the XPEL Ultimate Fusion. This has got ceramic coating built into it. So it does everything that the regular Ultimate Plus does, so you don't get the rock chips. It's self-healing. It's amazing. It's got the 10-year warranty. It also has a 4-year warranty on the ceramic coating that's built into the top coat. This is the way to go these days. I wanted you guys to see it. If you come over here, we've also got the Fusion, just the ceramic coating. This is not the paint protection film. This is your traditional ceramic coating, but this is by XPEL. This is made for XPEL film, guys. It has the right pH, so it does not damage or discolor the film. A lot of people are putting these other brands on their paint protection, and that's going to kill the warranty because it messes up the paint protection film. So we have everything here. You get it all in one. This is how you want to do it. XPEL's been around the longest. They're the best. That's why we offer it. Wanted you guys to see our product lineup. I hope you love it. Come down here. Let us show you some of our work. You going to XPEL dealer conference? We're going to do a week in the life of training and competition.
We are going?
We're going to San Antonio in April for the XPEL dealer conference, where we get training for everybody here. We're there for 2 days, and we'll be getting training. They do competitions, so we got Randy in the residential commercial competition. We've got a couple of the guys doing auto tint, and Rolando's doing the paint protection this year. competition. So we do a lot, we learn a lot. We kind of get to network with our peers, the whole XPEL crew, and you know, it's just really good for the company and getting closer to everybody at XPEL. That's our partnership, so it's a good time.
I told her mom that I was soon. Knew as a child back in the womb. Oh, told her step back, I need my room. Hop in the car, watch it go vroom. I'm in a whip, so I gotta zoom.
Is that thing waterproof?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
No, I don't want to die. $392? No way.
They not in the room. I be so real, I'm dead to the tomb. They in the way, they gotta move. I got a gas, they running on fumes. Told them way back, it's something new. It's me and Dan, you gotta choose. I'm taking what's mine, I'm doing fine. Don't see the vision, they looking so blind. I hit my lawyer, I don't got the time. Crossing my T's and he dotting those eyes. Don't take offense if I do not oblige. I can't relate with like none of these guys. They hit me once and I'm cutting the ties. I was so low, but I'm back on the rise, it's real.
On this piece of paper, on this back side here, I want you to write a goal down that you want to achieve by December of next year. Okay. It can be personal, work related, fitness, it can be anything you want it to be. I just want you to write a goal down. Okay. One thing you want to achieve by December of next year.
What is this for?
Let's do something to better ourselves, or better to do something that we can hold ourselves accountable for. Whether it's, like I told him, personal, financial, weight loss, marriage. I don't know. I'm not going to read any of them. Mm-hmm. When December comes next year, I'm going to open the envelope back up. I'm going to seal it. I'm going to pull the names out. That's why I wrote all the names on one side and we're writing on the back side. These are sticky notes. Mm-hmm. So when I fold them, or they fold them, nobody reads them but them. And next year in December, I'm going to hand these back out to them and let them open them up and see if they achieve their goals. Nice. So it's just something different. I wanted to do it. It's been something on my mind. It may be more so for myself, just to hold myself accountable for something. So it's just an idea I had, and I wanted to do it today. So before it got too late and I don't do it.
Yeah. Nice.
Yes, sir. Goal that you want to achieve by December. Do that for me?
Absolutely.
Just on this back side of this piece. Your goal. Okay. It's just something to help you be accountable and help you reach a goal.
Yeah. Happy birthday from Mom.
Oh, thank you. Oh, I get fruit. It's healthy. I wonder what's in the bag and stuff.
That's gonna be a surprise.
That's gonna be a surprise.
I don't want to say it.
Don't ruin it.
He's better say it.
Man,
Thank you.
I don't want to say it on camera. I don't want to put it out there like that.
It says, "Happy birthday, sweetie. We love you to the moon and back. Love the boys and mommy." And Anthony. I guess that's the boys.
So she sent me the address, and she was thinking I was one over here down in Mesquite. Ended up being the one all the way in Firewheel.
Oh,
That's just to keep it from falling.
oh, I see.
That's pretty cool.
And then this is gourmet chocolate. Dipped fruit. Okay. So it's like on the healthy side. She's trying to help me
Nice.
out here because she knows I'm trying not to eat all that stuff. But
That's awesome.
I told her if the guys got me cake and we do what we do, that I had to eat it because it's disrespectful not to.
There you go.
What's up?
What year is this for?
This is a 1995.
Oh wow.
I was born in 2000.
That's wild.
He was born in 2000.
Yeah.
What do you think, Anthony?
That's kind of older than me. I'm in 01.
Yeah, millennials.
Where'd my squeegee go?
Another day in the life. It's my birthday. We're knocking out episode 26, 25 or 26 right now. I think it is 26. We haven't missed a single week. and I'm proud of that. Being consistent, that's what it's all about. Somewhere around the same amount of time I haven't missed a workout. I don't know, what is that, like 6 months? It's pretty good, so I'm super proud of that too. I feel like it's Thanksgiving, but it's over. I'm grateful for not giving up.
Nice.
Like, my shoulder started hurting and stuff, and more than it already does. And just like I got a lot of joint pain. And so we pulled totally back out. We started doing more physical therapy again. So it's like fix the joints, then go back to the weights. So you're like here and your ego's like this big and you're like, oh my God, I did this and I'm so happy. But then boom, you know, a few weeks later, everything locks up, you know, and you're like, you know, 41, a lot of abuse on the body. So we kind of went back a few steps so we can, when we get back to that again, I'm stronger, my joints can handle it.
How long have you been going consistently?
About 26 weeks.
26?
Yeah, about since summertime, like 6 months almost. Something like that. Real close.
When we started these episodes, right?
Yeah, we literally started doing a day in the life. One of the first episodes, you were like, what are you doing? I actually just left the gym. You remember that? That was like one of the first episodes. So I started working out with a trainer about 6 months ago.
What's your overall goal?
Overall goal is to live a really long life so I can be around to help a lot of people, especially my family and my work family. I want to see my kids get old too, you know. Those are my goals.
No sarcasm, nothing. This is a really difficult back glass.
I need like a bulldozer or something. It's not holding. Yeah, and this one didn't have the defrost lines cut out, so I had to like place it, bump it, cut it, place it, bump it, cut it.
That's a nightmare back glass, to be honest. Here's the bulldozer, bud.
Oh, thank you.
This is literally what we used to
Okay.
all the time.
Great success. It worked out okay in my favor. First try Friday. Get off and do it again.
David's birthday, so we're about to give him a little party. We all are going to sing to him, and we actually have a gift for him too. So we're about to do that as soon as we get these vehicles out. That way he can get out and make dinner with his family tonight. So I want to get that out and get it done.
Oh my goodness gracious. Is this XR Plus in there? I don't think we have enough
That's some Jordans. Know some new Jordans, Air Force Ones, the Travis Scott edition. I know nothing. I heard these young bucks talk about it once.
Fancy.
Birthday, Daddy. Happy birthday.
Thank you so much. I love you. You're so sweet.
How old are you?
Let's go. I'm ready. I got my gear on that I wear every day. It's my favorite clothes.
Maybe 8, we're good to go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear David. Happy birthday to you. Yeah. Speech.
This is what I do. I give speeches. Kevin, you're late to the party. I really appreciate this every year. All y'all are such beautiful gentlemen. It's very awkward to have so much beautiful energy in the room right now. Y'all want me to open this?
Okay.
Oh, this is paint protection film.
To make it a little bit difficult for
Oh my goodness. This is like the most expensive wrapping on the planet. If you don't want your package to get scratched, if you want it to be self-healing before Christmas, no rock chips or kid debris or dogs. No tears. Can't open it. Get you some XPEL paint protection film at Tritek. It's waterproof. Holy moly.
I almost put a coating of fusion on it too.
Oh my god, this is the most expensive gift wrapping. And we got tape. All right.
What kind of tape?
I need a knife.
XPEL.
No, it'll come right off. He's just doing it the hard way.
I don't know. I just got to use those muscles. I always forget I have those. Oh, what was it, glass? Woo! Now I'm sweating.
That's just the
Am I gonna mess it up right here? But wait, if Rolando can cut people's wrists, I could cut this. Oh.
There's some crazy story behind that.
This is what
I
happens.
don't know how this happened.
We have a whole bunch of men wrapping gifts.
No, the idea was I was going to bring a bag, and the bag I brought was 3 times too big.
Someone turn on the air conditioner. It's getting hot. I don't want to cut whatever it is. It must be them new Yeezys or Travis Scott's or Supreme shoes. Oh, I was close.
I don't want you to be disappointed because it's none of what you
It's on cloud. These are even better. It may not even be that, right? At this point. Oh, this is grass-fed steak. Chicken. Oh, it is shoes. Woo! Fixing to stay hard and go run 20 miles after work.
5 miles every day.
Oh, these are very nice.
Don't you have those already?
These are, I think, a different style. Than
Are
I
they?
have.
Okay. Also, this is a gift card here,
Ooh,
so you can go get another pair too of something
nice.
else. So don't lose that.
Sweet. Thank you guys so much.
Sorry, thank you.
These are pretty sick.
I'm not.
Until Christmas.
Sorry.
We really appreciate him for everything he does. Don't forget to subscribe. Tritek is #1 in Garland, Texas. Ring the bell.
Thank you.